Good morning, guys. It's 820. What's up, you guys? It's Goldux 411. You could be up there, anything, quick for sure, anything you can say. Well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading out to, what is it called? Seniors luncheon. Helping out with that, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, so sorry that I haven't been doing that much vlogging today. Just got done work. I also did a help at the senior luncheon. This is what they had for the seniors luncheon, and we had some sandwiches. And we also had some food. Really good food, you guys. I'm just gonna set this on top for the toaster oven for now. I'm gonna make some weird ice cream right now. Got some freezer bags right here so I can put in the freezer so I can let them set the ice cream after when I shake it up. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. No, 1, 2, 5. 5. We'll put the other freezer bags in, because we are making some weird ice cream flavors. Yes, we are making some weird ice cream flavors. So talk to you guys when we are making it. So right now, you guys, I'm just gonna cook up some spaghetti soup and take some spaghetti soup. So that's what I'm gonna be cooking up. Some food. I'm not starving, you guys. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.